Hey friends, it's Lenny here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something very basic. We're going to be filling a chip on a windshield, and we're going to use our 2007 Mini Cooper S. It's going to be very easy. I can do it. You can do it too. So we're just going to come right over here and we'll get started. Okay, so here's our chip. It's going to be fairly easy to fix. Okay, so right where the chip is, we're just going to take our nice clean razor blade. I like to go like this. Just make sure it's all smooth in the area in case some of the glass kind of flaked up a little bit. That feels really good. Wipe down the area. There we are. Now we're clear to get started. We're going to use this tool right here. We've got 4 suction cups. Those are going to suction to the windshield, and that's going to hold this secure. You're going to want to line this up with the chip itself. You take out this little centerpiece right here. This is the driver. Inside this hole right here, you'll see the hole that goes all the way straight down into here. That's where the glue is going to go. It's going to get right into there. We'll put this back in, tighten it up, and it's going to force the filler right inside. Some people will, they'll use whatever they want. You can just use whatever you've got for moisture. I'm just going to use a little glass cleaner because it's what I have here. Just like that. Now I'm just going to bring this. I'm going to try to line it up with where the chip is the best I can. If you don't know if you have it lined up perfectly, just get it on there a little bit, just like this. Now I'm going to look inside. That looks really good. I'm just going to see if I can get it to just a teeny bit. Yeah, nice. So now we're going to take our kit. We're going to bring this down so it's bottomed out up against the glass. You'll know it is because it starts to lift this up. Once you're at that point, you'll have this piece out, obviously. So now we're going to use our resin repair. And we're going to go straight inside the hole here and try to get it all the way down into the center. I'm going to use like 3 to 5 drips here. And that should be more than enough. Come on. There. All right, now we're going to use our driver. Just going to screw it right in here. As we get down lower, we'll start slowing up a little bit. What this is doing is it's forcing the resin down in. It's going to fill up that chip nicely. Leave that there for a second. Let it do its thing. We'll leave it for about a minute, and then I'm going to pull out the driver almost all the way, and then I'm going to reinsert it, and then we'll wait 4 to 6 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to hold the base, and I'm going to turn out the driver part of it. This is going to create suction, and it's going to draw any air that might be inside that chip out. Just like that. Wait a second. Now we'll just screw it back in here. This is going to force the fluid back in again. Here comes a little bit. Get that out of there. Finish snugging this up. Get that out of there again. All right, now we wait 4 to 6 minutes. All right, so now we're just going to unscrew the whole driver. Get our suction cups off of here. They come up pretty easy. Get that off of there. Clean up our area around it. That's where it is right there. I'm going to leave that leftover goo on there. I'm going to take this, stick it right across. Right there's where the chip was. Now I'll just leave this just like this, and I'm going to park it in the sun so it's got UV light, and that'll help it cure. Okay. So we've let this sit for about 10-15 minutes now. So I'm just going to grab it, peel this off of there, recycle that. Now we're going to take our razor blade. We're just going to clean up the excess. Out of here. Here we are. Give it a little spritz. Okay. So you can still tell where it was, But now at least the chip isn't going to continue to spread. If moisture got in there and then froze, or whatever the circumstance may be, it would spread, and then of course it would make a crack and come across your windshield, and it would be very costly at that point. This is a nice, easy, and cheap repair, and that's it. You're safe to go down the road now.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.